Very good morning, students. Today our topic is periodic classification. Before enter this topic, we should know about the periodicity. The term of periodicity is called as arrangement of elements with regular intervals. What is called the periodicity means arrangement of elements with regular intervals. How many elements are discovered? 120 elements are discovered at present. In ancient days, Doberlin triads, only 3 elements are arranged in one set of elements. That is lithium, sodium and potassium. These are the 3 type of elements. Both of them having same chemical properties and different physical properties. Lithium has 6.9 atomic mass. Sodium has atomic mass is 23. 39.1 is atomic mass of potassium. So what is the basic concept of this? Lithium and potassium. Lithium is first element, potassium is third element. The average of first and third element concluded to give the answer is center of the element, that is second element. For example, 6.9 and 39.1. What is this? Divided by 2. 23 is the answer, is sodium. This is the one type of example for set of elements divided by the scientist Doberlin. That is called the triads. Only 3 elements. Next, Newland octaves. Octaves means 8. 8 elements separated by Newland. Out of these 56 elements, totally 56 elements only known were discovered at the time. 8 elements, that's why it is called as octaves. Octaves means it is basically connected with rhythm. Sarigama Padanisa. Sa 1, 3, 2, ga 3, ma 4, pa 5, da 6, ni 7, sa 8. Totally 8 elements. The next one, Mentally. Mentally discovered a short form of periodic table depends only atomic mass. Mentally discovered the short form of periodic table depends on the atomic mass. Example, hydrogen to fluid, 8 elements periodically. These are the same type of chemical character and different type of physical character. And last one, at present we should follow the modern periodic table. It is the long form one. Long form of periodic table is modern periodic table. It is discovered by Moseley, is the scientist name. He was divides group and periods. What are the groups? Group means vertical columns. Vertical columns are called as group. Horizontal rows are called periods. How many groups and periods in the periodic table? 18 groups and 7 periods in the periodic table. First group is called alkali. That is, alkali means dissolving bases. Second group is called alkaline earth. These are the elements getting from earth. That's why it is called as alkaline earth. Third to 12 called as transition elements. That is otherwise called D block elements. Why these are called D block elements? It is interface, that is S and P block. In between the S and P block elements, these are situated in the periodic table. That's why it is called as transition or D block elements. 13 to 18 totally called as P block elements. 13th group is boron family. 14th group are carbon family. 15th groups are nitrogen family. 16th are oxygen. 17th are halogens. And the 18th are noble gases or inert gases. Both are same. Next, we will discuss about the oxidation state of P block elements. 13th group has +3 oxidation state. 14th group has +4. 15 +5. 16 +6. 17 +7. And last 18 noble gases has +8 oxidation state. What are the electronic configuration? First, we will discuss about the electronic configuration concept. Electronic configuration means number of electrons arranged in the various orbitals. That is called the electronic configuration. Boron family has electronic configuration is ns2 and np1, totally 3. And carbon family has ns2 and np2, total 4. Next, nitrogen family has electronic configuration is ns2 and np3, total 5. And next, ns2 np4 6, ns2 np5 7, and last one ns2 np6, totally 8 elements. That's why it is applicable only for octet rule. What is called the octet rule? How many electrons? 8 electrons in their outermost valence shell electrons, that is called the octet rule. Out of these groups, only 18th group applicable only the octet rule. That's why it is having 8 electrons in their valence shell outermost shell. Long form of periodic table divides 3 portions: left portion, middle portion and right portion. Left portion has group 1 and 2. First and second group has in left portion. Middle portion has 3rd to 12. Right portion is 13 to 18. Again, middle portion divides to transition elements and inner transition elements. Transition elements already told D block elements. Inner transition separated with 2, lanthanum and actinium. Lanthanides and actinides. That is 4F is related to lanthanide, 5F related to actinides. As well as already discussed about the group wise, as well as the period wise horizontal rows. The horizontal rows called as period. First period has 2, 1 and 2. 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. It is called the shortest period. Second period from 3rd to 10, that is lithium to sodium. Number of elements totally 8. It is short form of period. Third period starts with 11 to 18. It is long period, sodium to argon, only 8 elements. Fourth period has 19 to 36. It is also long period, potassium to krypton, total 18 elements. Fifth period 37 to 54. It is long form, rubidium to xenon. It is has 18 elements totally. Sixth period has 55 to 86. It is longest period, cesium to radon. Total number of elements 32. The last one, 7th period, it is generally called as incomplete period because it is total a number of electrons 32. Out of these 32 elements, only 26 elements only accommodated. The number of 87 to 118. These are the periodical elements, group and period. How many number of blocks in the modern periodic table? 4 blocks, S, P, D and F. S block has group 1 and 2. First group and second group is in S block. P block group 13 to 18. D block elements are group 3 to 12. Finally, 4 block elements are inner transition elements. D block or transition elements are otherwise F block and inner transition elements. S and P block connecting is known as representative main group and normal elements. S block elements except hydrogen, because hydrogen is unique one, it does not have any one position in the periodic table, as well as P block element except helium, because it has only 2 electrons. Its electronic configuration is 1s2. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. In D block elements, group 3 to 12, third group to 12th group, it has metal, non-metal and metalloids. Both metal, non-metal, metalloids, 3 type of elements having only D block elements. It is called transition elements. Why it is called the transition elements? Already told you. In between the S block and the P block, center of the S block and the P block, the modern periodic table has D block elements group 3 to 12. That's why it is called the transition elements. How many metalloids? Number of metalloids in the modern periodic table. Example: silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium. These are the metalloids. S block elements divides to 4f and 5f. 4f elements are called lanthanides, 5f elements are called actinides. Number of elements totally 15 elements, addition with lanthanum, as well as 5f actinium with 14 elements, totally 15 elements. So 4f block 15 elements, 5f 15 elements. How many metals and non-metals and metalloids and radioactive elements? List out the metals, 8 metals in the modern periodic table, 17 non-metals in the modern periodic table. Metalloids, number of metalloids are 6, radioactive also 6. Total number of, maximum number of electrons in the separate blocks. S block has only 2 electrons, P block has 6 electrons, D block has 10 electrons, F block has 14 electrons, totally 32 electrons. Finally, number of shells in the periodic table, K, L, M, N. Already we know the number of shells, 4 shells, K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. K shell has only 1 orbital, that is called a 1s. L shell has 2 orbitals, that is the name of 2s and 2p. M shell has 3 orbitals, namely 3s, 3p and 3d. And finally, fourth N shell, nth shell has 4 orbitals, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. How many number of electrons in the various orbitals? K shell has only 2 electrons, number of electrons totally 2. L shell has 2 orbitals, 2s and 2p, 2s only 2 electrons, 2p block orbitals 6 electrons, and 3s orbital has 2 electrons, 3p orbitals has 6 electrons, 3d 10 electrons. Totally L shell has 8 electrons, M shell has 18 electrons. And finally N shell number N has 4 type of orbitals. 4s orbital has 2, 4p orbitals 6, 4d orbitals 10 electrons, and 4f orbitals has 14 electrons. Number of electrons 32 totally. Why we did not give separate positions of hydrogen in modern periodic table. That's why it is a unique one. Hydrogen is a unique element. It does not have any position in the modern periodic table because it has 1s1. Electronic configuration is 1s1. It is the lightest and smallest element. It depends like the character of alkali and halogens. That's why it is situated in the above the first group, that is alkali metals. Above the alkali metals, the hydrogen is situated in the modern periodic table. So that's why it is unique one. Inner transition elements, lanthanides and actinides, as well as transition elements, D block elements. Inner transition elements usually situated inside the D block, but it is accommodated in the bottom of the periodic table. So some of them asking this type of questions. Why inner transition elements, F block elements are accommodated in the bottom of the periodic table? What is the answer? It is the one part of D block transition elements, but inner transition or F block elements has number of radioactive elements. Out of 15 elements, 4F, out of 15 elements of 5F, both 30 elements, out of 30 elements, nearly 17 radioactive elements in their F block elements. That's why it is accommodated in the bottom of the periodic table. That's why we did not include the F block elements in the D block. Previously, Doberlin and Newland, Mentel, these are the scientists. Only elements separated depends on the atomic mass. It does not accept or it does not having same chemical properties or different physical properties. In modern periodic table, that is long form of periodic table, at present we are using by Moseley. Depends on the atomic number, that is ascending order of the atomic number. Moseley divides group and period. 18 groups, 7 periods are generally periods are already told horizontal rows, but groups are vertical columns. 18 groups means actually 9 groups, 9A, 9B. That is from the beginning of 1A and 1B to 9A and 9B. Totally 18 groups. 18 groups in the periodic table. Left portion means metals are always situated in lower left of the modern periodic table. Non-metals are situated in the modern periodic table is upper right. Left portion only group 1 and 2, right portion 13 to 18. Middle portion 3 to 12. Transition and inner transition. These are the number of elements situated in the various orbitals and the various blocks, as well as the type of arrangement of elements, Dobereiner, Newland, Mendeleev and the modern periodic table. The number of types of this. How many elements? 120 elements at present. Okay. If carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, noble gases, these are the elements having metal, non-metal, metallites. Is it so? Boron has metal, non-metal or metallites, as well as carbon also, nitrogen, oxygen. Oxygen already list out the halogens. Oxygens are otherwise called a chalcogen, except tellurium, because it is one of the metallites. Already we are indicated as tellurium. So that's why except tellurium it is generally called as chalcogen. Next, halogens, fluorine, bromine and iodine. Out of these, how many of gases? Fluorine, chlorine. Bromine is a liquid, iodine is a solid. Okay, students, we will meet next class with a different topic. Thank you.